pretty.
Soft drink.
Iyak ang bata kasi gusto ng ramen.
Dito ka na mag-ramen, ha? Punta yung SM mamaya. Naliligaw daw yung delivery boy. Turo mo nga kung sa bahay natin. Ayun to. So, kayo? Ay, di ko tututuro. Ay, di na punta dito.
Ano yan? Ano yan natin?
Ang galing mo yung mask mo. So, yan. Kompleto. Ako na ba tayo sana? Hindi. Kaya pa na
So guys, tutur natin yung room namin. We're here sa room 860. So let's go. We're here. Open natin. There. So, yan. Makikita yun. First here, meron siyang powder room. Can you guys see me? So, yan. Powder room. It's so big and I love the mirror. Mirror. It's so big. Like hella big. Yan. Powder room. This is what you call powder room. Yan. And then proceed here. Living room. So here, meron siyang coffee maker. Ang favorite ni Tito. Coffee maker. Tapos coffees. And then yan. And then may TV. Sana meron siyang Netflix. Pero mukhang wala. Kasi mga gantong type ng TV. Hindi siya smart TV. So, hi Jello! Say hi!
Hi!
Hi! So, yan. Living room siya here. And then, syempre, may view din here. So, let's open it. It's my first time seeing the view here. Oh! So, ito yung view niya. Oy, kita din yung pool. Can you guys see the pool? And then, I don't know kung anong view to. Anyways, let's go. Let's proceed to the bedroom. The bedroom is over there. Pero let's go to the... sige, let's go to the bedroom muna. So, may extra bed. And then, may sofa. Oh my god, guys. I love this sofa. Ang ganda niya. Ang nice ng color. And ang nice ng structure niya. And then, may office table. May view ulit. And then, the bed is here. I think yan ay king size bed kasi it's so big. And then let's go. Let's see the view. Medyo foggy siya kasi umuulan. Umuulan sa labas. Kanina. So yan. And can you guys see the SM? We're going there later. So yan.
Lisa!
What?
Lisa!
Commercial. And then let's now proceed sa restroom. Sa comfort room. So there's a bathtub in the shower area. And then another mirror. Oh my god, I love this. Anyways, fit check. Meron Lacoste. This is from Tito. Tito, thank you po. And jeans, low-waist jeans. Mahilig kasi ako sa low-waist jeans, guys. And my shoes are from Polo. So, yun lang. Nagpapahinga lang kami and then we're going sa SM to buy some stuffs. Yun lang. Bye! See you later. You guys see, ang ganda ng lighting here. Anyways, bye. Bye guys. I'm going to charge my phone first because it's low but like it's 1%. Meron palang binigay na Happy Valentine's Day, yung Lusitani. So may lettering here kanina na Happy Valentine's Day, but kinain na ata nila.
Not use. Kapatid mo. Oh, what happened?
I'm sleepy.
Are you sleepy na?
Hindi tama.
You're not
I need to
sleepy.
swim more.
Okay. It rained. Oh, how will you swim? It's raining.
Dadami ka. Dito naman. Giging gremlins ka dyan, oh.
It's raining.
Kainin.
Babagam ako.
Baka di mo kainin.
Kainin ko. Bubblegum, tsaka chocolate ako.
Bubblegum tsaka chocolate ako.
Ano sa inyo? White.
Spanish natin.
Tignan niyo guys yung glass. Tapos mapayat pa siya sa
Sabi mo, ay, na mainit na tubig.
Wow. And para dito guys. What's in there? Oh. Hey, be careful. Don't touch it, Gab. What are those? Guys, Jello is, Gab is so sweet. She gave me this. Thanks, Gab. Guys, so pretty. Don't know what flower is this. Ay. Dinner, let's go. Oh my God, wow. Anong food mo? Anong food mo?
Lechon!
Lechon. Wow, that's so yummy Pagawa siya ng milk tea. Here. Iwan mo yung sabaw. Get ka ba?
Iwan
Okay lang yan, okay lang yan, okay lang. Isa pa. Yan. Go na, lagay mo na. Yeah! Sana hindi ma-copyright yung kanta. Is that okay na? Okay na yan? Last scoop. Oh, may putok. Then, you put some ice.
Ay, ang bigat. Ang bigat.
Kunti lang, baby. Kunti lang lagay mo, ah. Okay na. Okay, and then, ang bigat. Ito. Ito.
Ano?
Chocolate. Ito, chocolate. Ay, ito gatas. Paano ba gumawa ng ito natin?
Lasa. Lasa.
Sugar yan, sugar.
Ah!
Sugar yan, sugar. Milk. Sama?
Milk.
Milk.
Pang milk tea.
And then, ito. Paano natin ito i-scoop? Sarap. Ang bigat. Hawak mo ito. Walang ano. Pang scoop. Wait lang, hanap sa akin. And then, dagdagan natin ng gatas.
Oh, bakit milk tea? Milk
And
tea na.
sugar. Ah, okay na yan. Milk tea na siya, guys.
Yeah, ma. I see your gorilla. It's so crazy. Guys, weird fit check. Naka-PJs kasi ako. Then naka-rubber shoes. Because I don't have any slippers. So, Ano yan?
alin?
Ayan.
Hi guys. Inubugbog ako ni Gab, guys. Thank you. Good.
Plain fried chicken.
Ano yung sir? Marinated na siya.
Siya, sige, isa.
Wala na. Balik mo, balik.
Ano?
Ayun o. Opo, nakita ko na yun.
Patong mo pa siya.
Sakto na yun. Ganyan kalaki.
Everywhere I go, feels better